Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Crystal. On Saturday, Conscience officially launched his Delos Lived charity foundation.
I've been talking to different psychiatrists and psychologists, and all of them been giving me them input. And I think it's something that will get off the ground pretty fast, you know what I mean? A lot of the ideas are not really complicated, and then they require millions of dollars. So, you know, it's just like an idea of getting people to remove the stigma of what depression is, and you know what I mean, look at a man and say mad, so people feel more comfortable opening up and letting out some of them feelings that they have inside. The idea though is to not just say we'll come out and come stand up and crowd the place, but to really attack this thing and know say, you know, it could be your brother next, or your sister, or your college student, daughter, or your son, you know what I mean? So we want to treat it like an issue and stop going like say something where, you know what I mean, where it don't really exists.
Among the guests in attendance were dancehall artist Shaggy and clinical psychologist and president of the Jamaican Psychological Association, Dr. Kai Morgan, showing support for the initiative.
We are very excited, very impressed, very inspired by this whole idea. We're very pleased to be here to try to form this link with Conscience and with the team to make some impact in this area in Jamaica, because I think we all know and realize or must recognize somewhere around that about the stigma that presents itself in our society and the impact that it has had.
Delos Lived is expected to function as a community of solace to those struggling with depression and anxiety. Delos, brother of Conscience and dancehall artist, is reported to have committed suicide last year. Saint International models have made major headlines again. This time it's the prestigious Forbes magazine. The Forbes article highlights that Saint has established an enviable global reputation for routinely placing the best black faces to the world's most prestigious clients, including Prada, Gucci, Calvin Klein, Ralph Lauren, Balenciaga and Burberry. Also highlighted was Saint model Tammy Williams, who is the only model from the English-speaking Caribbean to be listed on Models.com's top 50 models of the world. In response to the article, Dwight Peters, head of the modeling agency, expressed that it has been a long journey of sacrifice and pain, so this level of recognition is humbling but cherished. Since 2000, Saint has signed over 100 models internationally. As Alkaline is set to hit this year's Sumfest stage after a 2-year hiatus, all are anticipating the upcoming single Formula from Alkaline, which is featured on French Montana's upcoming album Jungle Rules. And no, it's not the already 2016 release, but another track with the same name. Alkaline, the only Jamaican featured, is said to be on the verge of a major international crossover and joins a host of top acts on the 18-track album, including Quavo, T.I., Young Thug, Pharrell and Travis Scott. A rep for the DJ in an online article revealed that French Montana reached out to Alkaline personally for the collaboration. French Montana's album Jungle Rules drops this Friday. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.